I'm gonna show you how to view your Amazon affiliate account on your iPhone. First, you go to www.amazon, go to search the web. And what you wanna do when you search the web, you wanna go down here at the bottom and you wanna view desktop view. Okay, once you requested a desktop view, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see. You want the one that's got the HTTPS. So I'm gonna go down here where it says Amazon Online Shopping. I'm gonna click it. Once you log in, you wanna go in and enter your email address and your password. You see right here where it says site strip, you click on it and it takes you to your affiliate account. So this is your desktop view. That's the only way I know how to view it. It's no out for it if you want to view. So I'm gonna show you also how to do YouTube the same way. You want to make sure you're viewing a desktop view. In YouTube, it always wants you to try to take you back to the app. And if it does, when I click here and it try to take me back to the app, I could just click down there at the bottom, the square with the arrow up there, and go to desktop view. As you see, I'm still on desktop view. I'm signing in. And it tried to take me back to the app again, so I had to do the process to view it as a desktop again. And that's all to it. Because I don't know no other way to view your Amazon affiliate link without viewing it on your iPhone as a desktop. If anybody know, let me know. And thank you, and have a great day.